Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 499 Hollywood Boulevard in Webster.
This is a charming Cape Cod on a quiet neighborhood street with an extremely rare, over a half-acre lot.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This charming Cape Cod is in mint condition with exceptional size. Starting with a spacious kitchen with maintenance-free flooring, open to the dining area with rustic wainscoting and a picture window, leading to an expansive living room with beautiful hardwood floors, plus a first floor primary bedroom and full bathroom. The first floor also features a mudroom entryway, a possible second bedroom or bonus room, and a light and bright family room with deck access and backyard views. The finished lower level provides great additional living space for all your activities, while the upstairs features two spacious bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors and a powder room that could easily be converted into a full bathroom.
From the covered deck with a spacious seating area, enjoy this extremely rare, beautiful, and private backyard. Over a half an acre, plus a large shed for storage. This charming neighborhood street is minutes away to Irondequoit Bay and Lake Ontario. Nearby is the Four Corners of Webster with great restaurants, shops, and parks. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 499 Hollywood Boulevard in Webster.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!